Hi Kickstarter backers, I'm Fred.
And I'm Natasha.
And this is the Ripple Rug.
The Ripple Rug helps keep your cat happy and healthy. Simply put, it means the cats won't claw your furniture, your sofas are safe, your curtains are safe. They're going to dig their nails into the Ripple Rug instead.
The idea for the Ripple Rug came about one day while watching our cat play with a carpet in our living room. We realized when we rippled it up and threw a toy under it, the cat just went ballistic, constantly trying to get the toy.
All our friends and pet parents everywhere have told us that they can't wait to get their hands on a Ripple Rug. With your help, we can make this happen. The Ripple Rug carpet is made from 100% recycled materials. It's also mold, mildew, and stain resistant. It's easy to clean, so you don't need any harsh chemicals, just soap and water.
Every Ripple Rug saves 24 plastic bottles from floating in the ocean or ending up in a landfill. The Ripple Rug's compact form factor allows you to simply fold it away and put it in a closet if guests come over. We have shown our working prototypes to pet store owners around the New York area, and they love the Ripple Rug. They want to stock it as soon as we can produce it. All of our prototypes work, they all are better than the last, and the most recent version is ready for production.
In order for us to achieve and make the Ripple Rug at a great price for everybody who wants one, we need to find a way to manufacture this within the USA on a mass scale.
We need your support to help take it the extra mile to bring the Ripple Rug to a store near you and to a living room around the corner.
Our stretch goal is to mass produce the Ripple Rug, to make it a viable product at a great price. Our rewards are exclusive to you, our Kickstarter backers. You will own a unique piece of Ripple Rug history. From prototypes to limited editions, no one else will have this but you. Please support our Kickstarter campaign to help bring the Ripple Rug to life. We look forward to your support and we'll be sharing every moment with you every step of the way.
Introducing the QuickScoop Cat Litter Scoop by PetFusion. PetFusion is the only brand to offer a holistic litter solution for your home that incorporates smart design, attractive and neutral style, and vet-recommended features that promote overall better wellness for your cat. You can learn more by searching for PetFusion BetterBox Non-Stick Litter Box, Tough Grip Cat Litter Mat, the Modest Cat Privacy Screen for litter boxes, and the QuickScoop Cat Litter Scoop. With our litter solutions, your cat and you can enjoy a clean, hygienic, and discreet bathroom routine. When it comes time to clean your BetterBox, the QuickScoop Litter Scoop will add comfort and efficiency to your routine. Made of durable ABS plastic with an antimicrobial coating, the QuickScoop promotes easier and a better overall cleaning experience. The long, ergonomic TPE handle offers superior comfort while scooping, and a flat leading edge allows the scoop to sit flush against the box to enable scooping underneath litter rather than digging down. A smart design offers faster sifting, and high walls minimize spills, making it a winner with any cat owner. PetFusion's Litter Station offers your cat everything they need for a clean and comfortable litter care routine. Smart function is complemented by sleek design to suit any home.
It's finally time to set up your LitterMaid self-cleaning litter box. Before you can get started assembling the box, you need to decide where you're going to put it. It's important to consider all of your options. Litter boxes should be stored in clean, dry environments, so use that as a guide. Once you have identified a location for your LitterMaid self-cleaning litter box, cut and remove the restraints on each end of the rake and remove the packing material. Begin by preparing the waste receptacle. First, open the compartment cover and get a disposable waste receptacle. Place the disposable waste receptacle underneath the compartment cover, in the space provided. Make sure the front edge is under the 5 tabs on the front edge of the litter tray. Attach the waste receptacle lid by inserting the push tabs into the round holes on the compartment cover. Secure the lid by slipping the edges under the tabs on the waste receptacle compartment cover. Remove the carbon filter from the plastic sleeve and peel off the paper strip to expose the adhesive. Place the filter, adhesive side down, in the diamond-shaped insert in the center of the waste receptacle lid. Then, close the compartment cover. Next, attach the paw cleaning ramp. Snap the 2 notches into the attachment post on the top housing, directly in front of the waste receptacle compartment cover. Tug slightly on the ramp to ensure that it is firmly in place. Remove the AC adapter from the packaging and plug it into the AC adapter outlet at the back of the top housing. Then, plug the cord into a standard electrical outlet. Finally, fill the litter tray so that the litter level is between the minimum and maximum fill lines on either side of the litter box. All clumping litters are safe to use with this box. Use the scoop and rake cleaner to evenly distribute litter in the litter tray. Now it's time to let your LitterMaid self-cleaning litter box take the dirty work out of pet parenting. LitterMaid.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.